if one is engaged in the devotional service of Vasudeva, then he immediately becomes vairagi, no attachment for material things and knowledge. But most of these rascals, they are non-devotees. The so-called Mahanta is not Mahanta, Mahantha, great blind. So that is the difficulty. Krishna consciousness movement is to bring everyone to the stage of devotional service to Vasudeva. Then it will be all right. Other platform will never be successful. Simply show. It is not fact. Also take it very easily that I haven't got to do anything by Guru Maharaj is there. He will do everything. I can do whatever I like. The Christians are doing like that. The Jesus Christ will suffer. We indulge in sinful activity. This is their policy. It is perhaps in our movement only that each and every individual is being trained. Others they do not do that. I have met a guru, then my business is finished. Now I can do whatever I like. Good friends. Friendship with dog, then what will he? He will become dog. He will not hear anything. Sadasar bhava bhavit.
Prabhupada, these people, dogs mostly are atheists. Atheists, they take the birds as a dog.
Yes. Unless one is atheist, how he takes to dog? Theists take to God, and they take to dog. Not only animal dog, but they associate with a human dog. Two-legged dogs. They are four-legged and there are two-legged dogs. Human being, but dog. He is also like dog. Although he has got two legs, they have got four legs. In the parks it is by law prohibited to take dog. But his dog, he does violate the dog law. Therefore he is no better than dog. The effect of modern civilization, they are keeping people as dogs and they want to make them human beings by laws. They are thinking, if we impose this law, things will be all right. But how things will be all right? If we keep them dogs, how the things will be all right? So we are training from dog to humanity. That is our specialty. Activities. We do not keep them as dog. We bring them to become godly. Then things will be all right. Other so-called gurus, they keep the disciple to remain as dog. Please pay him and he Ashirvad, he will be all right. This is it.
Very important one question, which everybody asks. In India as well, everybody, they want to see where is the God. They want to see it, show us how we can see it. We're ready to do everything and we want to see the God. And show us some miracle or something that we can believe it. Everybody is like that. And the people, a lot of having a mystic power, they make the fool of the pupils.
What is that mystic power?
I don't know what they show it, some sort of...
You do not know?
Some G, they make it like that, and this and that, they make the fool people. How can we convince that something that knowledge is there, but they want immediate to know it, to believe it?
That is their rascal. One wants to be learned without going to the school. Is it possible? So they are rascals. What can be done? They don't want to go to school and take the training, and they want to pass MA examination. This is their proposal. So these rascals should be kicked out, that's all. Tat vidhi pranipatena pariprasna. First of all you surrender. Then you ask question. These rascals first of all will question. And when he is satisfied, they will surrender. This is not the process. Process is first of all surrender. Then question. Otherwise you have no right to question. Waste time. Is the sinful part of water. This is sinful part. There is sinful water and pious water also. So this water is sinful. Drinking of this water is pride.
In America they use maple syrup a lot. Maple syrup. Is that also part of the sinful reaction for the trees? Yes.
Only fuel, they are called fuel. They are meant for using as fuel.
This is known as the fruit belt in this area. But now they're ripping up all the orchards and putting in factories.
Whatever they do it for factory, so that people may be exploited very easily.
Your company very much in Toronto, and we feel like talk you so much, but we do not have so much time to talk with you. You're so much mercy, so we have not to know so much about Krishna from you.
So in my absence you read the books. What I talk I have written in the books.
Personally we feel more greater.
Yeah, that's not right. But still you can associate with me by reading my books. Therefore in the beginning of Bhagavatam it is said, Dharma prodhita kaitavata, or cheating type of instruction is kicked out from Srimad Bhagavatam. Only substance. Vastava vastu vedamatra. One who is really anxious to know the reality, for them it is Bhagavad. And those who want to be misled, not for them. One who is sincere to get the light, for him Bhagavad is the only remedy. The question is why Bhagavad is so important than other books. The reply is there. Mahamuni krite kimba parai. It is used of other books. It is written by Mahamuni Vyasdev. The Vedanta Acharya. Kurmis, Gyanis, everyone is envious. And they're trying to speculate how to where he gets money, where he gets money.
That man in San Francisco, the photographer, he was always trying to take pictures of your rings. And always trying to take pictures of all the rich things on the altar. He was trying to make a story like that. They try to show that you are enjoying. They're trying to show that you are enjoying.
Even in Chicago, the woman who wrote the article, the 34 ounce, she said how you looked at your gold watch. That was in the article. Such an important thing.
Nityananda Prabhu used to decorate himself with very costly ornaments.